Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about quantum fiber internet. Is this brand internet good or not? Is this brand's internet good for gaming or not? Is this good brand or just another waste of money brand? You should take any connections, any services from this company or not, okay? So if we talk about this brand, basically this brand is approx like you can see over here like 16 years from now, and they have good repu in this field, okay. And the best part of this brand is like the internet and the internet speed according to the price. So you can see over here like they have three types of plan, like 500 Mbps that cost approx $50 per month, and they also have 940 Mbps that is cost for $5 per month, and speed up to 2 gigs, okay, that costs $70 per month. So now you are thinking like which plan is best for you. So basically the first one, like 500 Mbps plan is really good plan. You can stream any game on this internet speed. You can use this internet for any kind of, you can like task, okay. You can do streaming, you can use 4K, you can like videos without any buffering and all. So this plan is best for you, okay. And this plan is also good. Like in this plan, like you have to pay only $5 more, but you will get almost you can like double speed. And according to my, you can like experience of using internet, this $55 per month plan is really good one, okay. In this plan you will get good speed, you will get budget friendly plan, and this is the good thing, okay. Now if we talk about like what are the things you will get if you are going to use this plan. So you can see over here in 940 Mbps plan, you will get like download speed of 940 Mbps, upload speed, and data cap is unlimited data. So this is the best part, you will get unlimited data, and the pricing is also this, and additional tax may apply. It means you have to pay some taxes. You can like in this pack there is no tax, but you have to pay some kind of taxes also, okay. And the payment is prepayment. You have to pay advance payment for your monthly contract, and there is no annual contract. You just need to, you can cancel your contract anytime, there is no contract, okay. So this is the thing. Now if we talk about like you should buy any internet on this you can like platform or not, yes, definitely you can buy. And if we talk about like reviews, they also have reviews on Trustpilot, and they have very bad ratings, and the bad rating reason is like customer support. Their customer support is not too good, and most of the customers is not happy with their customer, you can like customer related, you can like services. Their customer, you can like support is really not too good. Each and every customer is complaining like customer support is very bad, they are not fixing internet issues, you can like very quickly, and at most of the you can like areas is facing problems related to you can like services, okay. So this is the only problem, and rest each and everything is good. Now if you have any you can like experience with this brand, please share your thought in our comment box, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.